it's Glenn with the Perfect Yacht, and just a little update on November and December activity. This is a 16-foot ski boat built in 1955 by a company called Performer out of Bellflower, California. And these guys are out of production now, but my client wanted to update this boat. It had an old plywood and glass floor in it, and it subsequently rotted away. So this is the floor replacement, among other things, a lot of paint and restoration. So here you go. I'll let the video speak for itself. Enjoy.